What lubricant can you use in combination with the Butter Collection? There's so many to choose from. Which one is right for you? Today, let's explore that. So, when choosing a lubricant with the Butter Collection, it can be a little overwhelming, especially as there are so many. Today, I'm going to recommend a couple which are perfect to use in combination with this collection. The Butter Collection features a variety of butt plugs and fisting dildos as well. So we wouldn't recommend to use a silicone lubricant, as you cannot use a silicone lubricant in combination with a silicone sex toy. From the Butter Collection itself, we can recommend the Butter Fist Gel in combination with the Butter Silicone Sex Toys. It's slightly thicker, smoother and stays on longer as well, meaning it's the perfect combination for you. So this is the fisting gel itself, and it comes in such a huge pot so you can reuse it again and again. As you can see, it's very thick but also very soft and smooth and easy to apply as well. Did you find that video helpful? Why not take a look at our other FAQ videos in this collection? Perhaps you have a question you'd like to ask us? Perfect! Why not drop your question in the comments section below and we'll take a look at it for you.